Hauzik Pawagi Maroiba Pauda, Digital Shakti Manipur ngasi Manipur Governor Dr.Najma heptulla na houdokhre. Amadi World Soil Day gi thouram pangthokhre. Kurumjari Times of Manipur gi pau mityang tabiri pasingbu Bidyapati mayang lambamna taram okchari Hauzik Pau sandokna pizari. Awang nongpok Bharat ki nupi singbu shakti pinabagi pandamda Digital Shakti Manipur haina mingthonba Digital Literacy and Online Safety Awareness Program ngasi Manipur gi Governor Dr.Najma heptulla na Hotel Imphal gi sangai hall da houdokhre. National Commission for Women Cyber Peace Foundation and Facebook na sinduna pangthokhiba thouram adugi chief guest oikhiba Governor Dr.Najma heptulla na ngasi pangthokhiba thouram asna lamdam asigi nupi singna internet social media amadi email na chingba Nabada ehen balosing pibangam lagani. Loinana, Maliam the Laminari Basingi Marakta, Hen and Naxan and Nabagi Lambi Amasu Oiragani Haiki.
But you know, the central government, when they recently launched the Digital Northeast Vision document to 2022 in Guwahati on 18th August 2018, with an objective to improving digital connectivity and infusing digital literacy in the Northeast in tandem with other states of the country. The whole problem which I face in Manipur is the connectivity. There are dangers also, because as somebody said that there are dangers also. Hacking is there. Sometimes when today we are transferring money through telephones, to the internet. Now there can be hacking also. So one has to be very, very careful about it, that how these cyber crimes can be stopped. The government is conscious of it. In fact, my daughter be careful about what kind of information we put. And somebody rightly said, don't put your personal photograph or your personal information on Facebook or Twitter or on your telephone, so that people won't be able to have the access of it.
Thouram aduda saruk yakhiba National Commission for Women gi chairperson Rekha Sarmana digitization na maram oiraga ngasidi nupi singda makhoina yumda laina thabak kaya ama tawba ngamlagani aikhoina internet asi aphaba lambida sizinanaba hotnagadabani haiki.
See, they are just sitting at home and working from home now, because they have children at home. They can look after their children and their home and also work from home. That is one very positive sign for women. And when a person is working online, there is no discrimination whether a person is he or she, nobody knows. And there we see that the gender bias which comes with the work at workplace, that is also less because of digitalization. On social network, women are taking advantage of social network so much. I've seen women using WhatsApp group to enhance their businesses. And that is the most important, because when you are talking to another woman that I'm doing so and so, she is also learning from you. And that's how the chain system, happens. One person learns from other, and that's how it goes on and on. So we don't have to think about the negative thing, negative side of the internet. Yes, of course we have, but every side has got negative and positive, and we should learn.
Har maram sadana hapadagi lebak lehaubu hena sokselakba thingnaba pandamda World Soil Day ngasi Krisi Vigyan Kendra Imphal West na sinduna ICR Lampel da pangthokhre thouram gi chief guest ki warol pireduna Potsangbam Jila Parisat ki member Laisram Bobina har napi hidak amadi tilhat hidak na hena hapsinbana nakoina na miyoi bigi haksang da changlaktuna laina layong khangdana layengba ngamdaba laina oirakli lebak lehau kan baga loina na Manipur na chinjaki mikha pondana lainaba hotnabada farmers ki achawa daite lai haiki
aikoina layeng ba laina layong khangdana layeng bangam dana laiba mawong si kari degino chari chinjak si degini ba insecticide loina na koi pesticide laiba mayam ase koi ke haine tilar hidak adagi napi hana ba hidak sine myam je krai laki hakchang da loi lai aikoi napi sinam ne na napi kokta ꯀꯧꯇꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯅꯥꯄꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯅꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯅꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯜꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯧꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯧꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯥꯁꯇꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯖꯟꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯜꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ
ICAR Research Complex for NE Heights Region Manipur Center ki Joint Director Dr. I Megasandran Hai soil pollution ki sang noma noma ki hengat lakli chingi uwa pak sana yanthak khibaga loinana tampak ki lamda hene chemical sizinnarak padagi soil fertility mangbada natana ecological balance su mangsil lakli maramaduna sing tamanana laibak lehau kanminana bagi mathau tai haina su phongdokhi
soil ki pollution je thingda ya ro mo hai mayamna khambire akoi soil jida carbon ji yam lai adu akoi atmosphere da akoi carbon dioxide hendregi akoi mangpa adu mayam ji soil jida akoi ne absorb to halaga le halaga di soil ji kana healthy oigi filam ama laki adu ga loina na akoi ki hojik mayam Manipur da yam war ji Manipur ji atopa kene Sing loi koisal le loi khambi le aduga sing dagi sendarak pa una singna patpa mayam jina punjal laga belly jida koi fertile le
Be the solution to soil pollution haiba thimgi makhada pangthokhre thouram aduda Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal West ki program coordinator Dr. N Arun Kumar Singha amadi soil scientist Dr. S Basanta Susaruk yakhi loinana farmer club tarada soil health card su yenthokhi
Lemoriba asina koi bidagi makoiba masigi suron warum tabinaba
Tamenglong district ki Tausem subdivision ki manung channa laiba Sibilong the first Taisudai King Chili Festival loisinkhre Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMAGI sponsored makhada the first Taisudai King Chili Festival organizing committee na sinduna numit nini chupna tha asigi ahum dagi mari phauba Sibilongi Sigoilong village ta pangthokhiba thouram adugi ahanba numit ki oina Manipur Organic Mission Agency Nabard amadi ICAR Imphal gi resource person singa loinana workshop amasu pangthokhi thouramgi nini suba numit ki pangthokhiba thouram aduda chief guest oina saruk yakhiba ADC Tamenglong ki chairman Asin Panmaina phongdokhibada aikoina puthokliba har yaudaba umorok king chili asi lepa leitana makhata na puthoktuna aikoigi pothok asi malemgi mafam khudingda sakhangba pochak ama oirakani haibgi thajaba lei haiki Paugi marak thana break amatang lauzari
Thouram TV, the first private satellite TV channel of Manipur, now available at Tata Sky on channel number 1973.
Break matung da taram okchari amadi pau makhatana haizari Transport amadi posting da khut thingzinba amadi MLA minister gi khuthang da pressure pib gi thabak tawbiganu asiguma aranba hainebi kaya asna laibak asigi tungda khongpham handuna leire haina Revenue and Cap PD Minister Karam Siam na phongdokhre wafam masing asi Imphal West ki DC Office Complex ta laiba Kuryangayani Hall da Revenue Department na sinduna pangthokhiba interaction program amada chief guest ki warol piraduna mahakna haikhibani Mahakna makataraduna transfer amadi posting gi oiba favorism nepotism yaudaba chahi ani gi oiba policy ama athuba matamda chatna halagani masida apen penda yaudana isa gi thabak mafamda thamoi sengna chatpiyu department singi manungda thabak tawbada khwaidagi luba amadi section ba darkar leiba department asi revenue department asisu amani aikoina thabak tawba matamda amadi record lausinba matamda achum aran kupna yengba mathau tai aikoina aranba record amata tawkhiba matamda tungda aranba aduna chahi kayagi matungda achumba saktuna khatna sainaba Ningai sangdanaba kaya ama tholakpa yai maram asna department asigi staff singna thabak tawbada anoba approach amadi anoba mindset amaga loinana thabak tawbiyu department asigi staff singna thabak tawriba mawong asi pumnamak ministry na kupna yengsilagani haibasi kawbiganu haina haiki
transfer posting political pressure mayam ama tawi mujiga ingonda transfer posting gi iraiba violator mayam du sangpai da hapadi than bu thalani thousands complain lai matam sana thabak to wi thabagi risk low tan badagi natraga favoritism nepotism da base torga sumba singje aina mayam da request obni threat sunati sumba mo na lan bayaro in time adugi thabak matam sana thabak to bi gadabni aduna at any cost at any level at the problems in the solve taunanaba amaga understanding poroknaba reality the base torga mafam matam sana thabak to bi go justice the base to bi mantri ne ta magi favor da thabak to har ka da banate kanam minister mla na haira ga sukta tabirun right thing achum thabak to madu khak thabak wen kon to bi noi dum tai lai ga ne adun matung da gi si pasim aina adi taro have the mai thamjage transfer
thouram aduda Impal West DC and Pravin Hai thamoi sengba watpa amadi aranba thabak thouram kaya chatharambana land eviction tawnaba order leiraba phawbada pata pifam thoktaba lam phawbada pata piramba kaya yauri asigumba kaya asna thabak thouram sing pangthokpada achauba khurau ama oire haina mahakna makhata na haiki
adru kona dadi aruba problem to oirakpa adagi hause koina eviction gi haro eviction gi torma matamda nan se koi lambi national highway gi eviction tawgen torma matamda mi makhisi pata hek pairum gum pata se krai den allotment yawra magi pata pirip se niyom sumbra thigaluganda madugi niyom sumbagi mong de uramda leiram
Porompat STO office ki mamang thangbada leiriba premi khongta chaliba drainage asi quality control tawramdabana khurai kendra ge MLA Susindro na pendaba phongdo khibaga loinana thabak asibu suriba contractor amadi engineer singi mathakta inquiry tawdona action lakhotna na wafam thamlakli yangsin khongsit aduga mari lainana MLA Susindro na hai Ministry of Donor ki makhada IFC dina lupa crore taraga mari rom changna paikhat khiba premi khong chaliba drain asigi oiriba phibam asida khurai kendra miyangi oina yamna laibak thibani khong asi hana luramba changdagi fit mari dagi manga phawba thengat halaga madudagi mathakta drain channaba quality yaudabani khong asi thengat hanbana maram oiraga olakpa chahi singda khurai kendra ising ichau mayok nargani haikhibaga loinana kilometer 9 lom sangba khong asida chaliba drain asigi contractor amadi engineer singi mathakta inquiry tawdona action lokhatkadabani haikhi
अखोइना हुजी डिपार्टमेंट की माइकेदा अखोइना क्यारा खन्ना हाइख्रे हाइखिबा म्याम सिंग मनुंग द डिपार्टमेंट सिंगा अमसुंग तौरिबा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सिंजिगा लौतिनरगा अमसुंग करिगुंबा पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट खरा यावबु माले मरमदि सिगी मखादा तौरि पोसे बंबू पाइलिंग पिरो मतुंगदा सिदगी मथकता माना फगलोंग अमा थारे अदु मथकता हेता हाइबनी that means quality यावदना सु तौरे अदु मथकता सिदा हाइरिबा आइटम सिंजिदा पिरिबा Sigi estimate items in the PD, but Siga, Sida Torami, but Siga totally different. Other than Masida, Piriba engineering, Madonna Masida Piriba contractors in Sa, Moi, Chap Saba, action locopum toy, Madam de Masi public property, Masida action locopum Amdraba, Hiriba Council Minister was no, any higher authority in locopum Amdragadi, Masi moral ground. Even Minister was more ground from Tadopum Toy, Madam de Masi, a quick cry can the Yoba, quite a Maroeva Portami.
Matam kayagi mamang dagi Indo-Myanmar border gi matangda chay na duna laklaba more subdivision gi manung chanba border gi Khundariba Howland Phai Khulda Manipur lenga ki cabinet mifamna police outpost hangnaba warep lawkhibabu Howland Phai Khulgi village sipna nungaiba phongdokpaga loinana mafam aduda police outpost sabada Howland Phai Khulgi khunja singna angamba mateng pangani mafam asda Myanmar gi army na khunja singda tatana ki hanba yum saba thingba yauna khul asigi showmill ama thugaiduna pukhibagi thodok leikraba matungda lengakna lakholakliba firep asi taramna ok I haiki
Ado ehag na ngasi se mayam gi onda nungsi kano nungai bagi pau ama hai thokning basina state cabinet Manipur state cabinet na ngarang paper akharada phongthok khibado Howland Phai da state police outpost ama thamgani hai base ehagna harau bagi haibane madu ai ningthogi ngaktan je masi akoiba priya gi damakta su yamna harauba ma haibase akoi hun se karno matam dagi adum manmar dagi karno lamgi mate matangda yamna karno nungai da am pauthok khibudo aduda cabinet na akoi priya mayam sibo nungsibiraga masi police outpost ama thambi base akoi yamna harauje aduga haraubagi loina akoi na su government gi side kari meeting to ba yage ai base gumba akoi outpost simbada pangan oirasu kari material oirasu karamba maong da akoi na pangbi ba yage aido akoi na so adum harau na puthok jage ai base
Border Town More ki Kaithel Singda Phata Haudi Sit Sengbaki Thabak Toriba Workers and Trader Association gi Phata Haudi Hundok Hunjin Tawbada Sizinariba Tractor Ngarang Ahing Masak Khangdaba Singna Gari gi headlight Thugaibada Natana steering Loktoktuna Thanamle Thaudok Asiga Mari Lainana Watamgi Publicity Secretary L. Kiranna Mamang da su masak khangdaba singna gari gi makhada bom thamlamba mai tharambagi thaudok kaya thokre asiguma thawong asi matungda chathabiganu haiki amuka hana break amata ga lawzari break ki matungna taram na okchari Tha asigi taret tagi taramari fawba Kerala gi Tirunanthapuram Kerala gi Chalachitra Academy na sinduna pangthokkadoriba International Film Festival listing taraga nipanda jury oinabagi damak Megasandra Kongbambu Khalakpada Critic Association Manipurna nungaiba phongdorakli panbayabadi Megasandra Kongbam English ni taramanga the National Best Film Critic mana phangkhabaga loinana poknafam pauche amadi The Hindu da film ga mari lainaba article kaya iribani Malemda Manipurgi Nat Sanskritanbu Sak Khangkhiba Numitpu Ningsingduna Ngarang Manipur Yang Malemge Tongan Mamapam Singda Pangthoknabagum Manipur Cultural Complex Bangladesh Dasu International Sankritan Day thouram pangthokhre thouram aduda Guru Ningombam Chandramohan Ningombam Naren Amadi Kaisam Birena Luchingba Sankritan Utki Cultural Complex Convener Oiriba L Jayantana Bangladesh ta Manipur Langakna Sankritan Yauna Jagoi Isagi Oja Tharakani Haibagi Thazaba Pirakpa Asina Bangladesh ta Khundariba Maitai culture bu ngak senduna thambada mateng oigani haiki Bharat ki khwaidagi lumba satellite GSAT-11 Indian Standard Time da ngasi ayuk pung 2:03 Erine 5 rocket na France Guiana dagi mai pakna thagatkre mai pakna thagatkraba GSAT-11 gi matekna laibak asigi broadband service hena phalagani hairi Chahi chamaga supna taret churabi mastanama masagi anaba amana maram oiduna laikhidraba mastanama Andhra Pradesh ki Guntur village dagini mahakni hinglegai matamda YouTube ta mahaki chaba thakpa amadi thongbagi video kya thagatnarakpada miyamna pamnabaga loinana maming chatki panbayabadi mahaki YouTube channel bu subscriber listing taragani thoi yogduna laikhidraba mastanama ba khwaidagi chahi yamlabi YouTube sizinabi oikhi
The pool boy is there. All of the kids.
Amakasu break amatanga lawzari
Lengsin Biraksi Pravia Emporium Iramdamgi Iyongda Sajaba Ningthi Zaraba Fijo Singh Fige Rani Wangkai Inafi Silk Half Amadi Full Sari Amasung Atay Makhal Mathel Kayagi Fajaraba Nupi Singi Oiba Fijo Singh Kongbigani Pravia Emporium, Singjamai Chingamathag near Jemon Gas Building.
Breaking Matunda, Pau Makata na Pizari. Police ke miyoi kontra romna ngarang ayuk angan bada thokiba mob violence da cheneba miyoi singi marakta FIR pisin kre amadi cheneba miyoi singi yumda chatuna makhoigi nupi angang singbusu phubi sabibagi tawbi khre amadi potchai kaya amang ata thoan khre hairi panbaya badi ningthokaba numitta san hatpagi ihauda Uttar Pradesh ke Bulandar shahar da thokiba mob violence thokdokta police inspector ama sikre amasung micham kunna sokhi Arunachal Pradesh Service Commission gi yamlaba candidate listing mapan singna question leak oibagi mayokta khongjang sangsin khre mahiroi singna exam gi question sing adu syllabus ta yaude amasung Pakistan Service Commission gi wahanga chap manai haina maral sikhi panbayabadi English singani ga taramari gi exam dasu question leak oibagi commission gi official manga suspend tawba laikhrabani hairi ngasi phongki ba pawche singda kari maru eba paw yauri bage haibadu amuktang punna khangminasi
Sangai Express Kangpugida san sikhiba adu linna chikpadagini yumsa hatpasa nini humni da khanglaba yai mau area da miramdagi pairakpa uchek hatre Police personal manga court changjarakre MU gi smart classing December 12 da physical verification chathagadauri Pogna firm December kundagi sitting anikhak leigadaba ningthammi firm pangthokhre Howland Faida police outpost thamlagani Niti forum for North East ki ani subami firm Guwahati da pangthokhre Culture bu ikai khumnaba haibasi khunai sibu ikai khumnabani Naharol gi thodam Forest amasung lamlak ki sa uchek sing ngak sendrabadi tourism promote tawbi kanab leite Syam Kumar Police singa chap manana VDF Homeguard singda financial assistance piba haina cabinet na warib lawkhre Charge sheet athubada thagatuna matik sabadandi pigadabani ima tariat ki license sakhangdaba singna mai tharam le Huyen Lan Pau MLA MP singi mathakta lairiba criminal case sing loisinna ba khangankhre Manipur gi MLA nipan gi mathakta panduna lairiba criminal case tarani thoi yauri kanagumbana furup amada awaba pirabadi tumina laithokloi speaker Sayan hatkiba masing chamaga nimfu sukre camera trap tara panba loiduna asengba khangdoknaba hotnari Anura Sankritanna UNESCO gi lista chankhiba numit ki thouram pangthokhre Sana Laibak Howlenfai khulda outpost hangdokwa state cabinet na yakhre Thaudok kunthra ga nipan da yumsa chamaga nimfu sikre asengba khangdoknaba mafam kaya da camera trap sing panba gi thabak chathari court karaktaba accusing thabak laukhatlagani fact encounter gi case ta commando personal ani bel lawkhre Ichel Express Candidate Singh Chief Minister the Memorandum Pisin Kre Police Constable lising ani tarawndoi batch ki result lautho u haiba dabida CM gi banglo da thomjinna ba hona kre ani suba kamjong festival lising ani tarani pan loisin kre Ukhul Jiribam amasung Moria da guest housing sakre kamjong da su sargani Maoist Communist Party na kaukhiba general strike adu December 13 te yaithokre Police personnel manga surrender tawkre Iraiba Satra oiraga hiram khuding da pangaw yausin ba afaba natte Karam Sham Nongwai paiba singna apikpa kanglup sing yotsinaba hotnabagi thawong miyamna yaningdrabani speaker Kamjongda guest house ama sargani Syam Kumar
Aroibada maruoiba paw amuk hanna Digital Shakti Manipur ngasi Manipur Governor Dr.Najma heptulla na houdokhre Amadi World Soil Day gi thouram pangthokhre Howzikidi Manipuri paw matang sa loisinjare ahenba paw ga loinana nimidang pung mapal nang phangbigani